Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix download DLL when you download the game from FitGirl or any Repack site. So let's go. So first you need to download this file. This is done DLL. I will put the link in the description. Right? When you download it here, you will have this folder, this one, the copy. Then you go to the disk local C, then Windows, then you paste it here. I already have. Then we will go to System32. Sorry, this one. We paste it. I already do. The second thing is the very important thing is when you download the game from FitGirl. Let's see. For example, this game. I open it with uTorrent. You need to put it in the disk local C in the first file. Alright? Put it in the programs or program alright. The third thing is, and the important thing is, when you set up, you run it as administrator. Alright, and then you can put it in the disk locals D here when in the setup, but when you download it from the website, you put it in the C. That's the important thing. Alright, and when the setup, you need to run it as administrator. That's the very important thing that I tried, and it worked very fine. Right, and that's it. I fixed it with the run as administrator, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I tried this method, and it worked fine. Please subscribe to my channel for more, and